Welcome back to Michelle's Blackstone, you keto rebels. Today you're going to want to try this one. This is a shredded Cajun chicken sandwich, a must try at your tailgate. Let's do it. All right, guys, let's start out this recipe. We're going to take 2 chicken breasts, and I always like, because they're, thick, I'm going to cut it in half and slice it in half. Taking my Spaceman mini petty chef knife. These are awesome. If you want one, definitely check out their website. Today we're going to be using the 22-inch E-Series Griddle. You can use your griddle outdoors. It's cold out. I'm using this today. So go ahead and put your chicken right on. And then we are going to season this with some Cajun, made by Blackstone. Let's cut up some onion and mini bell peppers. I'm going to put a little butter down on the griddle. And then I'm going to put on my onions and peppers, and let's start softening those up. Now this is the E-Series model, guys. I did take off the lid, but it does have a lid. I took it off just to show you the cooking. But this is totally a meal you can make on whatever griddle you have. Take your favorite cheese of choice. I'm doing habanero because I want a little spice, and shred it up. Let's season our veggies with the Essential made by Blackstone. All right, since these are almost done cooking, let's give them a toss. We seasoned them up. Let's mix them about. Getting done, let's shred it up. Veggies are done. Let's give this all a mix together and start toasting our buns. Take your little butter and put it down, kind of mix it all on there, make it all pretty. Take your bun, open it up, lay it down, and let's toast them up just a little bit. Shout out to Aunt Millie's for making these carb-smart hot dog buns. You gotta love these for the keto diet. Okay, buns are toasted. Let's flip them over. Yum. Let's add some of our chicken. Let's put on some cheese. Let's add the top of the griddle back on and melt up this cheese. I'm hungry. These are ready. Let's eat. So we toasted these buns, we seasoned this chicken, and we sautéed our veggies. Let's give it a try. This is so good. When you have it at your tailgate, they're gonna say you griddled like a champion. I'll see you back next week.